Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of The Walk Around. Grab your popcorn, get some drinks, and enjoy the show.
Good day guys, good day. I almost said good morning, but I don't know which time you guys are watching this video, so yeah. So today we have this beautiful 2009 Honda CBR 600. It's an awesome bike. I know this is a new fairing kit that is on this bike, so it's awesome. It looks so beautiful. It has 54,000 kilometers on this bike, so not a lot. So let's dive into this one. Show you the one. Let's start it. Let's so you guys can hear everything, and let's go from there. Okay, guys, as you can see from this side, also very beautiful. I love the shine on this bike. It's so, I don't know what to call it, it's majestic. But it is beautiful though. I always have been a fan of Honda, just because the bike is very light. I know it's light. The petrol consumption, fuel consumption, I know it's a bit better than the other ones. I know it's better than Suzuki, but it's not quite that. Not a lot. Not such a big difference as it can make a difference. But yeah. One thing I like about these panels is if the light is on, it's like a little sparkle effect. As you guys can see, it's like a little sparkle effect. That's what I love. It's only on the blue, not on the white. So that's what makes it more unique. So yeah. Beautiful kit, as I can't stop saying it, but yeah, let's go down here. Everything will show you a bit. Everything on the pegs. Chain is still very good. Comes with passenger pegs. Let's go here. The brakes and everything. The discs still in very good condition. The shocks, no shock leaks. I know a lot of people was worried about shock leaks these days, but yeah. So you can dive in here. As you can see, the exhaust and everything also very good. 3-cylinder. Is it 3-cylinder? No, it's 4. I'm not sure. But yeah. Let's go this side. Show this side. Everything here. The discs still has come with that stuff for the stands. The only wear and tear I can see on this bike is there where the stands is a bit scratching on that. I don't know what it is, chassis, I don't know. But yeah, still very good condition bike, especially for 2009. So mechanically wise, I know the thing is perfect. Otherwise than that, beautiful. Tires still in very good condition. So you guys can see the threads there, exhaust pipes, and the indicators. I know this indicators. I think this indicator is brand new. So that's what quite nice. A little bit of scratches here on the lights, but that's normal wear and tear. Nothing major. So let's get on this thing. Let's start it for you guys so you guys can hear about it. I know this thing needs a bit of petrol. So yeah, that's the only thing you're gonna see flashing there at the dash or anything or whatever it's called. So yeah. Damn, you can see me on both mirrors now. Holy hell. Beautiful from here. No wear and tear, just a bit of scratches here, but it's normal. Grips are still in very good condition. Shorty levers, the ones you can actually adjust to your liking. The side, same. Let's turn it on. Let's get it starting for you guys. We can go from there. As you can see there. You guys can see, as I mentioned, it just needs petrol. So yeah, let's start it. Yeah, so guys, My apologies though, my apologies for in the beginning. I didn't, I forgot about the kill switch. The kill switch was off. So that's why I didn't start in the beginning. But yeah, let's get off this thing. So guys, as you see, this one also does that one light thing and the other one off. And then when you put on the lights, the brights, I know, then both goes on. That's how it works. Or when you start it, it actually goes on both. So yeah. That one does it always, and the backlight, let me show you guys the backlight, that it's working and everything. As you guys can see, it still works there. So yeah, beautiful, beautifully maintained bike. Fairing kicks awesome condition. I love the screws actually that goes with the blue, you know. It looks really beautiful. So yeah, guys. That was the 2009 CBR 600. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know I enjoyed. I love my sports bikes, so can't go wrong with a sports bike. This one is very light. Come to Dewet&Bikes, get yours today. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.